little task to complete. But as the time passes, but we felt that even this time I am stressed. That is, we have lot of time, lot of work to complete. And I want to tell everyone that teachers of UIT, teachers of NCA, teachers of MBA, teachers of English, and students of all the departments, they are working hard from Monday, and they are doing various activities. They are painting on stones, they are making vertical gardens, they are making one batika, and number of other things. And I hope tomorrow, that is the concluding day, we are able to show that what we did in the last 4 to 5 days. So, first of all, I welcome Dr. Meenakshi Kilam, Director, Kathua Campus, University of Jammu. It is the idea of man to organize a plantation drive here at Kathua Campus. And the coincidence was that the students of first semester of UIT, they also joined on the same day, that is Monday, and we planned this plantation drive on Monday as well. So, for the next 4 years, these students are going to adopt one tree they planted, as well as they promised us to protect that plant. That is a big commitment from the freshers who have joined us recently in UITT. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for giving us new and innovative ideas. The team of UIT as well as Kathua Campus is ever ready for the implementation of the ideas, but we are required, that is the new ideas, and our dynamic rector ma'am always gives us new ideas, and we try our best to implement those ideas. Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance, for your commitment for the campus. And when you have a leader like this, so everyone enjoys the work. Everyone not only enjoys teaching, but at this time we are learning new and new skills. To paint on a stone is also a skill. To make the vertical garden is also a skill. To bring the stones from the campus or from some other place, that is also we are learning something. So, from my side, I am thankful to all my colleagues as well as the students especially who have joined us on Monday, as well as the senior students. I also welcome our resource person, Shri Om Prakash Vidyarthi Ji, IFOS. He is retired principal, chief conservator of Forest J&K. He is also member of Jammu and Kashmir Biodiversity Council, also member of Jammu and Kashmir Wildlife Board, and member of Sahita Academy Advisory Board for Dogri Languages. Sir has authored more than 50 books that are in Dogri, Hindi as well as in English. He is also a recipient of Sahitya Academy Award 2002 for Dogri literature. Vidyarthi Saab, born in the hills of Ramnagar in 1960 and did MSc Botany in 1981, and then entered into AAS in 1984, and after that joined IFS in 1987. He superannuated from services on 31st of Jan 2023 from the State Forest Research Institute, and he take initiative for the tree talks from December 2010 and continued till date. And the important thing which I want to tell you that till now he has delivered 1353, that is 1353 tree talks in various institutions, that is colleges, schools, universities. So see the dedication of the person who born in Ramnagar. The Kladi of Ramnagar is very famous, and 1960 and then 1981, 1984, 1987, and see the energy of a resource person. This is 2023, and I think he has more energy than the people who are, I think, जो हम 20-30 साल से छोटे होंगे.
Thank you.
I worked in Bhadrava campus from 12 to 17. First time I met sir in Bhadrava campus on a tree talk. तो सर हम सबको एक tree के पास ले गए, and then he started discussion. What are the benefits of this tree? What are the benefits of leaves and other things? On that day, I thought कि कभी मैं भी सर को कहीं invite करूंगा for a tree talk. दिमाग में था, but मेरे पास सर का मोबाइल नंबर नहीं था. And when we started this program on Monday, even then it was in my mind to invite Vidyarthi sir. And after that, sometime engineer Amarjit Chopra came to me and said, "Sir, एक काम करें." मैं कहा बोलो. सर विद्यार्थी सर को बुलाएं हम अपने. मैंने कहा मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, बट निकला नहीं बाहर, पर चल रहा था मेरे दिमाग में. तो कई बार जरूरी नहीं होता कि हम कुछ बोलते हैं, कई बार कुदरत ऐसा कृष्णा करती है कि जो थॉट्स होते हैं वो किसी तरीके से कहीं जाके मिलते हैं और चीजें जो है वो एग्जीक्यूट हो जाती हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर कमिंग टू कठुआ कैंपस, and definitely the ideas which you have shared with us in the coordinator room, we will try to implement all those ideas, sir. Thank you so much. I also welcome my
4.5 घंटे तो इनके वैसे ही कम्यूटेशन में ही लग गए, और जो लेक्चर में इन्होंने हमको टाइम दिया, तो यू स्पेंड, आपने अपना पूरा दिन हमारे ही नाम कर दिया. थैंक यू सो मच. And their students, the first day when we started, I tried to tell you that it's very important for us, if you're talking about nature, that it's very important for us to get connected with our roots, to get connected with our culture, to get connected with our heritage. And in many ways I tried to convey this. But today, Vidyarthi ji has, through his PowerPoint presentation, through his anecdotes, through his practical experiences, through the photographs, through the foliage that he got here, tried to tell you that how ultimately, how have we able to preserve nature, how have we been able to protect certain trees. The answer is to get, to develop a connect with these trees beyond just, thinking that, okay, this is a tree. More than that, develop some kind of reverence towards it, develop some kind of respect and faith towards it. So our culture, our heritage, whether it's a ziyarat in Kashmir or whether it's a temple in Jammu, it has played a great role in preserving our trees, our nature. I won't say anything much. He's, actually opened our horizons about, now I think when you go to your house, go to your nearby temple, go to a nearby place of worship, you go to a marketplace, and when you see a tree, you will automatically start wondering, how is this tree being preserved? Why is this tree being revered? What are the benefits that we are getting out of it? So all these, I think, has opened your mind toward these things. And it's very important because you see that today, the most important challenge that this world is facing is related to protection of our environment. So, and protection of environment, the one major thing that we can do is protect our trees. So I won't say much. I think that now is the time. He hasn't actually spoon-fed you things. He's just opened your minds. He's just opened a new world view. When you look at trees, you look at them in a different way. Thank you very much, sir. It was wonderful. Really enjoyed. And